Raindrop keeps falling on my head. Raindrop keeps falling on my head. And just like the guy whose feet are too big for his back, nothing seemed to fit those. Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun. And I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Slipping on the job, those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they sent to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrop keeps falling on my head, but it doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain.